Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to clear any paper jams or replace your feed rollers on your Ricoh, the newer document feeders, the bigger document feeders I should say, that typically go to your Ricoh MP3055, MP3555, 4555, even your colors such as your MPC 4504s, 3504s, and so forth. So even 6004. So if your document feeder looks like this, if it's a thicker document feeder, the process is the same. It's actually the same pretty much on all of them, but we're going to show you the larger document feeder. So it's quite simple. You're going to lift that cover up, and first off, if you get any paper jams, you want to make sure that this little arm is freely, it's like you lift it up and it drops down. It's kind of like a spring tension. Make sure there's nothing jammed up there. Make sure that's clear. So now to remove this, your feed assembly, it's quite simple. You're going to see a white snap-on cover here. You could either pop that out with your hand or just get a flathead screwdriver like we have, and let's get started. We're going to go ahead and just pop it in there just to give it that little snap out, just like that. And then on the other side with your hand, just pop it out and you can set it aside. Next thing you're going to do is we're going to lift up that cover, and with our hand we're going to grab this and move in that direction right there and take it out, and there you have it. So there you can replace your feed rollers, check for any paper jams, make sure there's nothing in the way there. Now to put it back, it's quite simple. We're first going to slide it inside that hole that you see there. It's got a spring tension. And then we're going to come over to this side right here. Well, what we need to do here is make sure that we lift that up when we're doing that. And then you're going to see right here in that feed unit that we took out. Let me go ahead and pop that out. You're going to see a white coupler, which is right there if I'm putting, okay. So we're going to concentrate on that. So go back again. We're going to go ahead and put that in the hole. Let me, there you go. We're going to pop that in the hole and then come over to this side, and this black cover let me make sure you see that this black spring tension cover goes underneath the metal bar and the white coupler. Now make sure that the bar goes inside that coupler that you see there. So you just push in and position in there. You're going to kind of see the snap in there. Now once it's in there, make sure you're going to see, like, let me get the screwdriver here. You're going to see a white little gear, or it's a bushing. It's a plastic bushing here. And you're going to find one here. As you can see, this one's pushed out a little, like sometimes they go out. All you have to do is just push it back in there, just like that. And do the same thing on this one. This one looks like it's in there, but if yours is pushed out, just push it in, just like that. So the reason for that is because this plastic cover has to go in between that white, the two white pieces, this one and that one. So you're going to snap that in there and come to this side and do the same thing. Snap that in there and you're done. So that's all you have to do. Make sure, of course, you get your screwdriver and make sure that that plastic is aligned with that sensor that you see right there. Okay, so that has to go right in between that photo sensor there. So then we have, make sure this is not jammed up, and close your cover and you're good to go. Good luck, guys.